YouTube. So I just, I finished up that first job, headed to my next one. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of rain. Clients still want me to come. And I predominantly work in the areas around my neighborhood, so I don't necessarily go out too far. But as we prepare for Hurricane Debby, people are still preparing to have their carpets cleaned because their kids return to school. So let me know, do y'all work in the rain sometimes? I do have a portable unit, but it just I'm behind a little bit, so and my truck mount was acting a little bit funny, so I had to take care of that. I had to replace a piece real quick. So this job that you're getting ready to watch, I hope y'all enjoy it. Didn't get too much footage of the cleaning. I did some foot, y'all see it. But if you're definitely looking to get in the carpet cleaning business, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to read the description, because the description provides a lot of important information. I do have a step-by-step course in there. Make sure you click that link, and it definitely works. I've been in business 3 years now, so hopefully it helps someone else on their journey of starting a carpet cleaning business like it done for me.
What's up? Alright, so today, Jasper carpet is pretty bad. Not just the condition, but the smell. So what I'm doing, I'm doing post spray. I spray it, let my stuff sit for 24 hours and come back and do it, and then clean it officially. Got some steps. Got this hallway here, closet. Like it smells bad, like bad. Another room here. You can see the stains on the floor. Definitely see the stains. Here it is. We got another room, and you can see all the yellowing. They said they had a cat, then I found out that they had dogs too. So you can let this pre-spray sit for 24 hours. Put my enzyme treatment, some deodorizer, to bring this back to life. But this house is going on the market. I started spraying. It started smelling much better in here. And you can see where all this pet stuff, where the pets was at. It's gonna smell and look way much better when I'm done with it. So as I said, we're doing a 24-hour post spray. Then when I come back in here tomorrow, when I get started, I'm gonna spray again. Then I'm gonna start my cleaning process. So this is gonna be a good video here. All right, back day two. Get ready to scrub this carpet. Coming up. Alright, this room looked much better, smell better. As you can see, they have pets. That's what all this here is, all pet hair. It was extremely yellowish in here. And to be honest, I couldn't take it, so let's keep going. All right, we're doing the front room now. This room is definitely, you still can see how bad it looks versus over there and over here. Yeah. All right, so we scrubbed downstairs, we cleaned upstairs. Wait till y'all see the before and after pictures. They're gonna say, what the hell?